BJSS are the UK's leading privately owned business and IT consultancy.
We run an ambitious company-wide CSR programme where we engage local grassroots community organisations to deliver sustainable programmes that support our community development themes of youth and technology.
So my background is running projects that are about improving people's digital skills. So I got involved in this project because BJSS were talking about how can they reach a different type of audience and sort of upskill them, especially in Glasgow.
How to program things and how to make it so I can make dices and stuff. And
the last 2 days I have enjoyed them because I've learned stuff that I've never learned before. They're microchip bits. I've never done it before, so it's been a good experience.
I think the kids had a good time. In fact, we were running it over 2 days and we had more people the second day than we had the first, and that was because the people on the first day asked if they could bring their friends along because they thought they'd be interested in it, so that was a really good sign.